In this video, we will cover animated menu bar, which will be for a mobile design. So first we will take a frame of iPhone 14 and Pro 15 Pro Max, and then we will create a rectangle first and give it a certain height and width to match the frame, and then position at the bottom. Then give it a fill to black. Then make a circle, give it a width and a height of 80, and give it a shape of your need. I think this is perfect. And make it larger. Make a circle again in between of it. Match the inner circle to the height and width of the bigger circle, and position in between of it. That's fine. Make it black. Give the outer circle white color, or match the frame. Take some icons from remix icon. First we will take home, then cart, settings, remove from the frame the vectors, and delete the frame of the vectors. Align them. Okay. Select them with the group and make it a white fill. Bring to the rectangle. Adjust the height with the circle. Okay. Check again. Align them with the rectangle. Give it a margin in between. Okay, that's look good. And place the first icon in the center of the circle and give it a fill of another color. This color seems to be fine. Okay, group them all and frame it and give it a name of home and duplicate the frames 3 times. First, move replace the circle with another icon and place above the next icon. Okay, give it a fill and place in between of the circle. Replace the color of the previous icon and duplicate the frame. Change the name of the frame. Replace the icons and color. Okay, then select all the frames and make a component set. Take prototype and give an animation to smart animation on tap and give to the 8800 milliseconds duration for all. And check all the frames are interconnected for the animation and remove from the frame. Select the frame and go to assets. Take the component to the frame. Adjust the component in the frame to the bottom. That's it. Go to play design. And this is how we animate a menu bar. That's it. I hope you like the video. If you like and learn something new, please like, subscribe it, and give it a comment. Thank you.